Brad, this is me. Sarah Hackman, David and me went to look for deer. Deers, 30, like 20 of them were there. Now, 5 or 6 cut those yos right off. And then it starts doing this. Stomping on the ground. And so David thinks it's a song. Go back, David, I'm trying to play. And he starts, to it. And the deer just mad and starts stomping again. And his little buddy's back in the bush. Ha, we showed him, right? Now it brings more at us. And so we're sitting there with all the deer coming at us, right? And so next thing we know, they're chasing us and all stomping. And so we're running up the hill, trying to get away from them. We run and we hide in the creek, right?
There.
We're hiding in the creek, and while we're hiding in the creek, a deer comes at me, and I flash camera a few times at it, and it lets me alone. Well, we wanted to get pictures of the deer today. It's like, oh my God, they're deer!
You have a time limit.
They're deer! And we're like, oh my God, and there's like, oh my God, it scares me all. Like, oh my God, oh my God.
I don't know what a last word would be.
That's the story.